If you're looking to improve your candidate engagement and streamline your recruiting process, then learning how to use Top Echelon's recruiting tools could be exactly what you need. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of the software that will help you connect with candidates more effectively, saving you time while attracting top talent. Top Echelon's suite of recruiting tools is designed to make your recruitment process faster, easier, and more efficient. The first thing to know is that you can use the software completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. Make sure to grab that extended free trial, as it gives you a unique chance to experience the software without any commitments. But let's dive into the key features that you need to know to boost candidate engagement. One of the standout features of Top Echelon is its recruiting network log. The software connects you with a large network of recruiters, which can be a game changer when you're searching for candidates. You can tap into this pool of experienced professionals to quickly find candidates that fit your criteria. What's more, Top Echelon's candidate search tools allow you to refine your search using detailed filters, ensuring you're targeting the best talent without wasting time. You'll be able to engage with candidates who are the right fit right away. Another great feature is the integrated job posting system. Instead of posting jobs manually on multiple platforms, Top Echelon allows you to post once, and it will distribute your job opening across multiple networks. This not only saves time, but it also increases your visibility across various job boards, which improves the chances of attracting the right candidates. The result? Better engagement and more applicants. Let's talk about candidate tracking. With Top Echelon's tools, you can easily track each candidate's progress throughout the recruitment pipeline. The visual pipeline view lets you see exactly where each candidate is in the process, so you can follow up at the right time and keep your candidates engaged. This proactive tracking ensures you don't miss out on any promising talent, and you can respond faster, keeping candidates interested and moving through the process smoothly. The pause automation features are another highlight. Top Echelon automates tasks like scheduling interviews, sending follow-up emails, and updating candidate statuses. This frees up your time so you can focus on building relationships and engaging with top candidates instead of being bogged down by administrative tasks. Automation also helps ensure no candidate falls through the cracks, improving overall engagement. Moreover, Top Echelon's customizable messaging tools allow you to create personalized emails for candidates at various stages of the hiring process. This is key to building a relationship with your candidates, keeping them informed and ensuring they stay engaged. Whether you're sending an initial outreach email or following up after an interview, personalized communication shows candidates that you're invested in them, and that goes a long way in maintaining their interest. Finally, one of the best parts about using Top Echelon's recruiting tools for better candidate engagement is that everything is integrated into one platform. From posting jobs to tracking candidates and automating your communication, everything you need is in one place, making the process much more efficient and seamless. Remember, you can get started with Top Echelon's recruiting tools completely free by using the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial will give you full access to all these powerful features and more, helping you boost your recruiting efficiency and improve candidate engagement. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start leveraging Top Echelon to streamline your recruiting and connect with candidates more effectively than ever before. Don't miss out on the chance to try the software for free and unlock its full potential today.